Hi friends, today I want to share one very important topic with you. Many girls are coming nowadays for acne treatment before their wedding. So we Hi Mandy, hi Neha. So I want to share today one very important point with everyone. Many girls are visiting the clinic for acne treatment before wedding. Hi Anamika. And before wedding they hi Vrinda. And before wedding they take acne treatment very lightly. They have multiple issues. They have acne, they have facial hairs, they have open pores, they have pigmentation, high tissue, and they have so many issues involved with it. So if you are planning, hi Harmanjot, if you're planning acne treatment, you have to plan it at least 9 to 12 months before wedding. Hello Anamika, how are you? And people don't take it very lightly because acne, if you have hormonal acne, then it doesn't vanish in a day. Hi Ashish, hi Preet. So it doesn't vanish in a day. Sometimes acne takes around 5 months to get reduced. So it takes very long for acne to respond, especially in the case of hormonal acne. Many girls are busy in the preparations, they are busy in their jewelry shopping, clothes shopping, and so many things they need to get it done. And they ignore the problem. They are busy with the other things and they just do symptomatic treatment, temporarily suppress the acne, and go ahead with the wedding. And the real problem starts after the wedding. After the wedding, the few days you are undergoing your pre-wedding shoots, your sangeets, and all the ceremonies, you are getting the makeup done. Hi Isha. So you are getting the makeup done and everything, and suddenly after the wedding your acne flares badly. Then you keep running to me that doctor, I came to you 10 months back, you told me to get the hormones done, but I was busy at that time, I couldn't get, hi Sana, I couldn't, hi Isha, hi Preet, I couldn't get the hormones test done and the ultrasound done, but I'm really sorry, but now I'm married and my acne has suddenly flared and everybody in my in-laws family is asking me कि तुम्हारे फेस को क्या हुआ, इतने निशान क्यों हो गए, पहले भी तुम्हें कुछ था. And suddenly everybody is pointing towards my face, and now my husband is very angry with me and he's not talking to me. So don't reach this level. I'm facing this problem in many of my patients. The girls are getting so disturbed immediately after their marriage because their full face is full of acne, their chest and back where they got full body wax done, it is full of acne, it's hurting, it is itchy, it is really bad. Hi Arpit, hi Satyadev, hi Mamta. So people are getting very disturbed because of this. So do take it seriously. Come for the treatment in time. Many patients came in the after the lockdown. Now after 1 year of lockdown, that doctor, we came to you in December 19. You told me to get the test done. Hi Kabir, hi Imran. I didn't get the test done, but now I'm here. I have severe acne and now my melasma has also come. Please treat that. I didn't get the hormones done. Same story. But now my in-laws are pressurizing me to have a baby. So I don't know what to do. मैं दवाई खाऊं, मैं टेस्ट कराऊं, दवाई खाऊंगी तो मैं बेबी नहीं प्लान कर पाऊंगी. So I'm in a dilemma what to do. So don't land in such a situation because after the marriage sometimes there are so many constraints, there are so many pressures from the family, from maybe your in-laws or your parents' family to have a baby. Sometimes there are circumstances are such that you are pressurized to follow their instructions. So do take your skin seriously before marriage so that you can follow the treatment really well, right? So you have to do a treatment very sincerely so that you don't land in this situation. So many girls are coming and they're really shattered because their married life is getting disturbed. That's why I took up this live session to tell all the unmarried girls who are suffering from severe acne or moderate acne with facial hairs, with pigmentation, do take your treatment, skin treatment seriously before wedding, at least 9 to 18 months prior to wedding, so that you sort out all your skin issues completely. Number one, it has internal issue. involved with it. Like you have some hormonal issue. So if you treat it before wedding, so whenever you plan a family, you will not need to go to the gynecologist or IVF centers for fertility treatments further. Hi Ajay, because we will treat all the internal concerns along with the external acne, your facial hairs or pigmentation. Sometimes few people have very bad pigmentation. Hi Pooja, on the upper lip they are having bad pigmentation. So that is also related to sometimes PCOD or hyperprolactinemias. So we need to treat that. And everything takes time. So it's not like that you came to me today and it will work like a magic. No, I need to go side by side. I will treat your acne side by side. I will treat the marks side by side. Then we will start with the facial laser hair reduction. Then if you have acne scars, then I need to do laser hair reduction too. And that too is another question, issue I need to sort that out. Many girls came to me with very bad facial hair growth just 3 months before the wedding कि डॉक्टर मुझे इसका लेजर कराना है, ये मुझे खत्म चाहिए शादी से पहले. So another thing one needs to understand, usually facial hairs are related to hormonal imbalance, and if you have hormonal imbalance, I need to give you the medication and simultaneously do the laser. And laser is usually done 6 to 8 sessions at 2 months gap. So it's not going to work like a magic. You have to understand everything has to follow, every procedure has to be done in a proper manner, and it takes time. So you can't expect and come to the clinic and say कि मुझे 3 महीने में इसका result चाहिए because मेरी शादी है. Because we can't hurry up a procedure just according to your time slot. If something takes time to get cleared, then it takes time. If you want some skin whitening, then one has to understand there are some internal issues which are sometimes causing skin darkening. They need to address that, then only you will achieve skin whitening. Again, I need some time. It's not going to work like a magic. Hi Harinder, hi Niharika, hi Arpit. Let me see your concern. Yes Arpit, you said your forehead is black since last 3 years. Arpit, sometimes it is related to many things. Sometimes black forehead is related to your insulin resistance. Sometimes you are applying a wrong hair color. You are applying a wrong oil on this scalp. Sometimes you are using a wrong cream, or you are not using a sunscreen. If you are working in such an environment that it is affecting more of your forehead, then it affects it causes darkness of your forehead. So we need to work out the cause and get the investigations done, and only then we can do the procedures according to your skin. So I need to see you. Please do visit for consultation. Any other query you have, please do mention it here. We will take it up. Hi Preet, for oily skin, best moisturizer. Preet, you can always use a gel-based moisturizer, or you can use a matte finish moisturizer. I'm writing one for you. There is an Excella moisturizer. You will get it easily in whatever city you are. You can surely use it. And the method of using a moisturizer is always wash your face, then you apply your gel if doctor has suggested you. Otherwise, put directly the sunscreen, whatever has been advised to you. For lash growth, there are many products available, Shaleen, for lash growth. Earlier they were not available in India. There is one product which is available by the name of Lashizma. You can use it. So it is comfortably available in the market also. I will mention it for you. Lashizma. So you can always use it. Hi Rana. I hope that sorts out your problem. Lashizma, I have mentioned for you, Shaleen. Right? Anything else? Any concern anybody has? Right. So recently we had a patient. She came for lip filler before, I think 15-20 days before her wedding. So I always advise people that whenever you are planning a filler treatment, then do plan it around 1 to 2 months prior, especially the lip filler before wedding, because then lip filler sometimes gets vanished within a month of the wedding due to obvious reasons. So please plan your lip filler at least 3 months, 2 to 3 months prior to your wedding, so that it stays. And anyways, like recently we had a patient, she had under eye dark circles, so she wanted some eye filler to be done because the under eye hollow was too much. So we always suggest patients that get your eye filler done at least 1 month prior. Usually nothing happens, but sometimes there is some puffiness, some unevenness, which takes usually 1 month to settle down. So I want that anybody, whosoever is looking for a filler treatment, he must take care that 1 month should be there for filler to settle down. Hi Reet. Yes, is tattoo safe for skin? What are its limitations? Reet, tattoo is safe for skin. I usually tell my patients that if you want, go for a tattoos which children get it done, you know, every day you can change it, right? Every day you can change the tattoo, because sometimes, most of the times, people get bored by the same tattoo and then they come for removal of tattoo, right? And that costs much more than what you spent on getting a tattoo done. Usually there are no limitations as such. If you get it done from a good place, it should be properly sanitized, hygienic. You should not get needle-induced HIV or tuberculosis, which we have seen many cases in PGI. Like if the place is not well sanitized or hygienic, people get sometimes, you know, tuberculosis or leprosy or HIV due to the infected needles or something. So that is the only thing. If you're getting it done from a good place, it is good. But usually people get bored, or sometimes they face, I have recently one young bride, so she's coming to me that my husband's name is mentioned on my wrist, but now my mother-in-law is not liking it, so I want to get it removed. So, you know, there are sometimes many issues later on, so take care of that so that you don't have to come back for its removal. Otherwise, it's fine. Then, yes, tattoo on hand is safe, not an issue. Not an issue. You can get it done, but again, I'm repeating the same thing. Many people come for removal later on, like they're moving abroad. There is some issue in my job. Like there was one person who was getting a job of of a chef at a beach resort. So the resort people were giving him job, but they put a condition that you have to get this tattoo removed before you join the job. You know, so these days many people are coming that I'm not getting my promotion done. Like I'm not getting my job because they are putting objection on the tattoo. So think twice about getting a tattoo done, especially on the exposed area, like you said, hand. If you are a teacher and later on you may receive some objections from the principal, from the authorities for your seniority or promotions or even for the job. So think twice about getting a tattoo done on exposed areas. You can get it done on your chest, on back where it is hidden, but skip the, you know, exposed areas. I will prefer that you should not get it done on your hand or arms. You should get it done on a covered area to be safe from all these objections. Because these days many patients are coming even from Himachal. Like a man had a star hair. He was objected by the school board that we will not give you promotion because first get it removed, then we will offer you promotion. Shaleen, you said cost of mesotherapy. Shaleen, it depends upon what kind of meso we are using and what kind of product has been used. And it usually starts from 3,000 to 5,000 per session. Hi Deepika. Hi Neha. Welcome Preet. Hi Hitesh. Hi Shrikant. Nice seeing you here. Any questions, please do ask. I was very touched by a few girls who were coming to the clinic just few days after the wedding, and they were rushing to the clinic. They were so disturbed, accompanied by the patients, almost tears in their eyes. Like डॉक्टर पहले हमने आपकी सुनी नहीं, आपने हमें साल पहले भी कहा कि टेस्ट करा लो, अल्ट्रासाउंड करा लो, and now we are so shattered. Like my husband is not talking to me. Everybody is saying तुम सारे दानों से भर गई हो, तुम्हें कोई problem था. Like, you know, early few days of your marriage and you are totally shattered. That's what really disturbed me in my many patients who didn't take their acne and hormonal imbalance seriously. So do take your acne and hormonal imbalance seriously, so that you don't face any such problems in your married life. And another aspect, first is appearance, then second is your health, like your fertility. Later on you are going to many hi Shivi, then you are going to many doctors, and hi Harinder, hi Niharika, then you are going to many IVF centers for fertility treatments. That will save you all that hustle. Today in the evening only I got a call from one of my patients. I think I treated her 1.5 years back for PCOD and her facial hairs and acne. And today I received a call from her that, doctor, I'm pregnant without any medication, without any IVF centers, visits or anything, because you treated me for PCOD treatment. So that makes a lot of difference. Your life is good. She